Guess what just arrived? My micro cord, the second pack. And I think I have a third pack coming. I don't know. Quarantine has got me like ordering stuff. I don't remember even what I'm waiting for anymore. So that's a thing. But yeah, let's open this up and see what those look like. Okay, so after thinking about it, I do not have another shipment of micro cord coming because I also don't need it. But this one is called Dark Stripes. So it's got black and specks of rainbow. This one is Multicam, so like a camo with some greens and tans. Olive Drab, so an olivey green color. And what's it gonna be? A graphite color, like so a darker charcoal type of gray versus the lighter silver gray that I have already. So there we are. So yeah, that's it for this very small unboxing, or unbagging rather. But if you need anything micro cord related or paracord, anything with rope, need it made, you know where to find me. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.